We're going to do a personal box for Howard. We're going to check out the new 2021 Contenders. Okay. Good luck. Oh, come on, buddy. He's not base, is he? MVP, so it looks like maybe the last card. Contenders, Derrick Henry. Power players for the Rams, Aaron Donald. I know the Avs, dude. We lost. We put 40-something shots on the Arizona and lost. I felt a losing streak coming. Ooh, supernatural Chargers, Justin Herbert. Drew Lock. Russell Wilson. What a troll. Nice troll, Panini. That's a troll, too. MVP, not contender. Kirk Cousins. Yeah, the Herbert looks sweet. Kyler. Josh Allen. Ooh, nice one. Numbered. Out of 99. 23 of 99 on the Josh Allen Supernatural. And playoff ticket. Steelers, James Harrison. I think the Bills win it next year. Oh, redemption. First, we got a winning ticket, though. Those look cool this year. Hundos. Tom Brady. This is not numbered. I don't know if that's a purple or not, if that's what they all look like. You can bet on the Bills now. What do we got for redemptions? Are there live ones? Howie, you want to look at it now or you want to keep going? Keep going? Okay. I'll just do it at the end, Tim. It'll be easy. It'll be quick. Legendary Contenders, Brett Favre, Packers. Kelsey on the chain movers for the Chiefs. Herbs. Chain movers, Stephon Diggs, Bills. Mahomes. Rookie of the Year, Trey Sermon. Can't believe we haven't pulled an auto yet. There we go. Ooh, nice one for the Lions. Rookie running back, Jamar Jefferson. Rookie ticket. And Rookie of the Year, Trevor Lawrence. The Lions, I think, are a good value in this because they, who's that receiver that killed it? Troy Brown at the end of the year? St. Troy Brown or whatever, St. Brown? Yeah, exactly. I'm on. They just don't have a quarterback. Another auto. Defensive end for the Saints. Rookie ticket, Peyton Turner. And playoff ticket, Joe Montana. Gladiators, Chase Young. Legendary Contenders, Randy Moss for the Vikings. Round 2 numbers, Dwayne Eskridge and Tutu Atwell. Probably second round picks. Auto, defensive end for the Rams, Ernest Brown the fourth. It's making me feel really good about your redemption, these autos so far. Ernest Brown the fourth for the Rams. And power players, Nick Bosa. Gladiators. Dalvin Cook. Wow, hit them both. All right, let's see if we can do it like Ken does it. Cracked dice, cracked dice, cracked dice. Nope, but it's your on card. Armon St. Brown, rookie ticket auto for the Lions. That was crazy. You threw that one out into the matrix. And that was your on card. I tried. Only Ken can turn them into low numbered parallels. I don't have that. He'll teach me that year 2. Year 2 of Magic School. And then round 3 numbers, Amari Rodgers and Nico Collins. All right. It's football. It is football. Playoff Contenders rookie ticket number 225. Tuliano Havanga. I'm not sure who that is. Tuliano Havanga. All right, that'll do it. Thanks, Howard.